this video, we're going to look at a bullish can for monthly CPR. Okay, so we're going to go to CPR up. We're going to say monthly. We're also restricting that, make sure it's above all the moving averages. For example, it should be above 21, so 23, so 144 should be above 233, 55 should be above 144 and 21, okay, like that. So let me scan that. So we are seeing this many stocks. Okay, let me start by market cap. See a lot of the pharma stocks, right? So if you want to play in the pharma stocks, the best thing is go to charts, go to XLV. This is a pharma index, healthcare index, right? Look at the healthcare index. You see the CPR is trending up. So if you don't want to play individual healthcare stocks, you can just play with the index. Okay, you can see the trend is going down. So you want to wait for the one bullish candle like this with upper wick, no lower wick, to open up above. Okay, let me just change this style to Heikin ashi. Appearance, ashi, still Heikin ashi. Okay, so you want to have a bullish candle with upper wick, no lower wick. Okay, with the green. So that's the first one. So let's look at ABB. Okay, see it's bullish. Okay, so here trend is up. You see all the time frames are up. Okay, the next one is ROST. Raw stores. Okay, you can see this is also buy signal here. Buy trend is up, so it's bullish. Okay, scan. Next one is PCG. Okay, PCG is all the way up, bullish all the way. Okay, next is SRPT. Okay, it's all bullish. Okay, SRPT. Then YPF. This is bullish. Okay, you can see bullish here. Okay, SIG. Okay, this is bullish all the way. Okay, so let's look at YPT. What is a? Let's look at YPT. How is the option market? YPF. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.